Hi guys, in this video we will learn how to improve our code using for else directive. Okay, so let me show you one example and let's see it. Okay, so first of all I'm going to my controller, and there is I'm getting the users and I'm passing to the blade file. So inside the blade file I checked it, there is a any users and like greater than 0. So if there is a no users, then it's go to the else condition and there will be a message like there are no users. And if there is a users, then it will go to the inside the if condition, and there will be a for each loop and then display the id, name and email. So right now in my database there is no users present, so you can see that there is a there are no users. Okay, so what here we are going to do, like what we are doing right now, like if directive and for each directive, there is a two directives we are using, but instead of this we can use for else directive, and we can remove the like 3 4 lines and make it better code. So let me just copy and let me show you that. Okay, so let me go here, let me copy and let me remove it. So let me use for else directive. Okay, and inside the for else directive I need to use users directly and as a user. So if there is a users inside the users objects, so then directly go to the this condition and display the user id and name and the email. Okay, so let me go to user id, name and email. Okay, if there is empty, so empty, and if there is empty, then we are displaying like there are no users message. So let me go to the td and the call span will be 3 and there are no users. Okay, and let me at the end let me finish it and for else. Okay, so now let me go and let me run it. Okay, you can see that there are no users, there are no users. Okay, and let me create now one user, so it should work as same like for each and for else, both should work as it is. So let me create one user, like create it quickly, create, and let me pass the like a name, test, and let me add the email, and let me like test at the gmail.com, and let me add password, and inside the password just I'm passed like string, there is no because authentication doing. So let me create it and let me check it here. So if I refresh it, you can see that both work perfectly fine. So you can improve with the for else directive. Thank you so much, and if you haven't subscribed us, then subscribe us please. Thank you.